SexyLashes.com informs readers and customers about aftercare. Clients should take care of their eyelashes to prevent eye infections and maintain their look. Some tips of eyelash extension aftercare include not picking eyelash extensions, as well as to understand that they could last longer if their oil residue is removed with regular cleaning. This NJ Lash Studios believe is our responsibility to provide the proper advice and information about eyelash extensions. When it comes to proper aftercare of eyelash extensions, we give our clients a rundown of the do's and don'ts at the end of each appointment so our clients know how to care for their lashes. Caring for lash extensions is a must to prevent any eye infections and maintain their look longer, said Ash Santiago, owner and licensed esthetician. Ash Santiago is a beauty specialist in New Jersey, offering high-quality and stylish eyelash extensions, professional makeup, waxing, and facial services. Her premier eyelash extension services have been touted as one of the best lash extension services in New Jersey. Click the description link for details on the story. Subscribe for top stories.